what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over with a paddleboard here by Level 6. Check this thing out. Number one, let's look at this bag that it comes in. How cool is this bag? This bag is extremely durable. Not only is it a bag, but it's a backpack. You guys can see right here, there's backpack straps. They are nice and padded. This has hook mounts all around right there. It's got like a hook right in the middle, so you can clip it on there, and a waist thing, and like to go around the waist, so it really disperses the load nicely all over. And it has a place right here for a name tag. You cinch it down right here. You know, I can put my vest in here or additional gear. But here's what's cool, check that out. It actually has wheels on it, so if you want to roll it, look at that. This thing just rolls around nicely like that. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm out here at a little local lake that I come and I paddle every now and then. You know, who doesn't love getting on a paddle board just from time to time and a change of pace from whitewater? Loosen up all of those. Zippers are very nice quality zippers. And this is everything you're gonna get with this whole kit. You get the board itself. Look at this beefy pump, and it's a level 6. They've actually labeled it level 6. So very cool looking pump. Has a lot of different features on it, but you know what? I haven't even used that pump. This kit right here is like a little repair kit if you have to do any type of repairs or anything. Very handy that you have that. A branded paddle. So this is a level 6 paddle. By the way, this kit right here is all as one. And you get a fin. Look at that fin. I will show you how to put that fin on, because I do run a fin because I like having the tracking. So up here, what you got here is some additional fittings, some paperwork. You know what? Some spare O-rings. You always need some O-rings, and that O-ring will go on the paddleboard or the pump. The owner's manual will give you a little bit of like tips on how to put the tether on, how to do the height adjustment on the paddle. We already know how to use a paddleboard, so we're good. So let me go ahead and throw this thing out and let's air it up and let's see what this thing looks like, and I'll go over some of the specs for y'all now. So let's do that, everybody. I just laid out the entire board here. I'm getting ready to inflate it up. This model right here is their ultralight package, and the length on this is 11'6" as far as overall length. It's 32 inches wide and its widest point, and the thickest part of the board is 5.9 inches as far as thickness. So it comes in a little over 25 pounds as far as like the overall weight of the board. Max capacity that their paddler weight is up to 300 pounds as far as rider weight, and max PSI, you want to go anywhere from 15 to 18 is what they're suggesting as far as max PSI. So yeah, there's the overall specs of the board. Let's go ahead and air this thing up and see what it looks like. So yeah, I have this SUP pump here, and I have it set right at 15. I will leave a link below on where you could pick this pump up and this board if you're interested in either one, because look how fast it's already blown this board up. That's been probably 2 minutes. After using an electric pump, I never want to go back to a normal hand pump. I just pump it, and I can sit here and pack up all my bags and stuff and come back and my board's done, because this will shut off when it's like hits the max PSI. All right, everybody, now that I'm fully inflated and I've got it all ready here, I have the tether on there. Let me go ahead and roll it over and show y'all how this fin mounts. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take that little flat piece off right there, slide it in, and then put the fin in and then screw it down. So I moved it all the way back, and then I'm gonna cinch it down right here with this little thumb screw. And once you kind of get it tightened down, make sure you get that thing secure, because you don't want this piece to come out. And you can see how secure that fin is. And to remove it, you basically unscrew that, lift the fin out, and then it unhooks there, and then get your piece out, and you're good to go. To put this thing on, I'm just gonna go like this, and that has a quick release on it. I'm not claiming that I'm some sort of big time paddle boarder, but I do it from time to time. And I wanted a paddle board that I could pretty much use for about everything. And it only has one fin in the bottom and not 3. My other one has 3 fins on it. See, this thing feels decently fast. Definitely more of an all-around board than more of a beginner board, in my opinion. I have a beginner board that's wider and shorter. You're gonna ride the swells. Ride those swells. Woo. And looking at that bungee, that is a very high quality bungee. The way they've done that, and that hook right there, it's been kind of shrink wrapped. Very impressed on that bungee. And the handles look like it's like a very like super strong, stitched in with a little bit of like felt padding on the bottom side with the logo in the middle. I love that attention to detail that they put on the handles. I highly recommend one of these level 6 boards. Very impressive. The quality on this thing is top notch. I've had some cheaper like boards that I've used, and this is nothing like one of those. This one has a premium feel, even for an inflatable. I know a lot of people love their glass boards, but for an inflatable, this is probably one of the better ones I've used. And it comes in this package. You know, you get the paddle, you get the bag, you get everything you need. So yeah, I think this is a great board for just about anybody that's wanting to kind of get into SUP boarding, that's just wanting to kind of like get a package that'll fit a little bit of everything. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the level 6 Ultralight. See you guys in the next video. Woo!